Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. This week we went out to the beach diner in Fernandina Beach, where the Amelia Cruisers were holding their monthly cruise in. There weren't very many cars there, but the cars that were there were pretty awesome. So here's the video, check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
During this program, but only one is served Northeast Florida homeowners for 3/4 of a century. Jack C. Wilson Roofing Company, the first name in Jack.
Go Gators.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. You too. Hey, you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.